Hi, I'm Julia from ACT Fire and Rescue. I'd like to take you through how to know your smoke alarm is working properly. First of all, we need to be able to access the alarm. Most alarms will unmount with a simple twist or slide. Did you know that smoke alarms have a limited lifespan and need to be replaced every 10 years? I can see this alarm expires in March 2028, so it's good for a few more years. Now I'm going to use the test button to confirm the alarm is operating correctly. If it is, the warning tone will sound. ACT Fire and Rescue recommends you check your smoke alarms once each month. It only takes a few minutes. You can write down or set a reminder in your phone for when your alarm needs to be replaced. Remember, only working smoke alarms save lives.